We're learning more about the judge tonight who dismissed all charges against former Philadelphia police officer Mark Dial for the deadly shooting of Eddie Irizarry, and how 10 years ago the judge hired an attorney who is now with the firm representing Dial to represent her in a divorce. Our Jeff Cole's in Center City to break it all down for us.
Sometimes judges recuse themselves if they have a real or perceived conflict. That didn't happen in this case. We wanted to know if it should have. When former Philadelphia police officer Mark Dial walked into court last week, he was accompanied by his high-profile defense lawyers, Brian McMonagle and Fortunato Perry of the McMonagle-Perry law firm. On Tuesday, the pair argued in front of municipal court judge Wendy Pugh that murder, manslaughter, and assault charges against Dial for the August shooting death of Eddie Irizarry should be dropped. In a stunning ruling, Judge Pugh, elected to her position and seen here on her Facebook page, where she posts about her life, agreed, wiping away all the charges, sparking rage from Irizarry's family.
What is lack of evidence to you, Judge? What is it? What is it? Because you're standing there, you seen a man that's my nephew get murdered, and you just drop all these officer charges.
Just days after the ruling, and questions have come up over Judge Wendy Pugh's hiring 10 years ago of a prominent attorney now with the McMonagle-Perry firm to represent her in a divorce. Attorney Walter McHugh, pictured here on the firm's website, is listed on court records as representing Pugh in the 2013 proceeding. The Pennsylvania Code of Judicial Conduct is the ethics guide for judges. It reads, judges should act in a way that garners public confidence in their independence, fairness, impartiality, integrity, and competence. Fox 29 wanted to know if Judge Pugh told anyone of her hiring of attorney McHugh and if she considered stepping away from this week's court hearing since McHugh's firm was representing Mark Dial. But Judge Pugh, 56 years old, did not return calls to her and her staff for comment. As for attorney McHugh, on the phone Thursday morning, he said, "I'm not talking about that right now, brother," adding he had to be in court in 5 minutes before ending the conversation. The district attorney's office, which has appealed Judge Pugh's ruling on Dial, declined comment, but the new questions are bound to raise concerns, even anger, seen this week.
So you're saying that it's okay to kill? Are you saying that it's okay to murder someone because you're a police officer, because you have a badge? No, it's not.
Once again, Judge Wendy Pugh did not return our calls for comment. At the CJC, Jeff Cole, Fox 29 News.